Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, coming to you from my house, and I want to talk to you a little bit about chapter 10. I hope this video works out well for all of us. Here we go. We are in 10.2.1. How can I solve it? And we have a Casey problem where she has a problem and we're told to solve it with the zero product property. It says x squared plus 1.5x minus 2.5 equals y. Then we look throughout and look. We have a bunch of problems, some with fractions, some with big numbers over here on this page, a whole bunch of things that we need to rewrite. We're going to have to remember our rules to rewrite them. So let's just start here, 1022, and I'll try to do a video on 1023. Here we go. So I have x squared plus 1.5x minus 2.5 equals y. And the first thing I want to do is let y equal 0. We rewrite the problem, x squared plus 1.5x minus 2.5 equals 0. Now I want to get rid of those decimals, so I'll multiply by 10. When I multiply by 10, something wonderful will happen. When I multiply by 10, and I have to do it over here too, multiply that by 10. When I multiply by 10, the decimal will move 1 to the right. If I multiply by 100, it would the decimal would move 2 to the right. If I multiply by 1,000, it would move 3 to the right. But it's just 1 0 here, so the decimal will move 1 time. This becomes 10x squared plus 15x minus 25 equals 0. Now, all these can divide by 5, so let's divide by 5. 5 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Get rid of that 5 right now. Just divide by 5 so it doesn't come back to bother us. We have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. This can factor. Use your box and diamond. In fact, we have to factor because that's what the directions said. 2x squared is diagonal from negative 5, and you multiply those two numbers and get negative 10x squared. That goes at the top of your diamond. At the bottom of your diamond, we'll use 3x, and we're going to use 5x and negative 2x. And I know 5 is positive because the sum is positive. 5x goes here, and negative 2x here. Okay, now we'll write negative 1 here, 2x here, 5 here, and x there. Double check, does it multiply? 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 1 is negative 2x, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, 5 times x is 5x squared. So we have x minus 1, parentheses, 2x plus 5, parentheses, equals 0. All right, now let's set up two different problems. We have x minus 1 equals 0 and 2x plus 5 equals 0. Let's add 1 to both sides here. We get x equals 1. Nice. Over here, subtract 5. We have 2x equals negative 5, divide by 2. And we have x equals negative 5 over 2, which is equal to, negative 2 and 1/2, or negative 2.5. Okie dokie. So our roots, or your x-intercepts, are called 1, 0 and negative 2.5, 0. All right, we finished. Thank you.